am Dr. Sister Regina. I completed my undergraduation in St. John's Academy of Health Sciences, Bangalore. After 10 years of rural practice of allopathy, I did my diploma in ENT in the same prestigious St. John's Academy of Health Sciences, Bangalore. As days went by, I noticed a sharp change in the scenario where patients approached more and more for treatment of chronic diseases, even in the rural part of India. So looking into these conditions or these situations, it made me think that patients had to spend more and more for the treatment of their chronic ailments. That is why I wondered, why not I look for another option, a drugless treatment or an alternative medicine. I took interest in learning or studying acupuncture under the able hands of Dr. Jayalakshmi, and later on through Atama, I got my MD acupuncture and started practicing even in the rural practice. Theories from acupuncture are very promising, but when it comes to practice, locating the acupuncture point itself is being difficult. So that is when I discussed with Kernew MedTech Innovations, the team, and I told them that is there a possibility of a gadget or device which would help the acupuncturist in locating this point. So they discussed with their team, went through the literature, and rechecked whether the same problem exists among other acupuncturists across Tamil Nadu and even globally. And they came to a conclusion that this problem has been faced by the beginners as well as experienced acupuncture practitioners. That is when they decided to move into designing a product. And for this, they used various technical methods, strategies, and finally have come up with this 3D navigation system which will help a practitioner to locate the acupuncture point exactly. So a combination of these two, that is accurate location of the acupuncture point and selecting the proper combination of the points, would end up giving better results and instant results to the patient. Thus, acupuncture will become more prevalently practiced globally and more among the rural people, which will cut down on their medical expenses. Kernew MedTech Innovations, a startup which is incubated at IIT Madras, and now they've come into the stage of validating a device. They've come up with a prototype and they started validating the device. So this has been done for a few number of patients, and once this device is successfully validated, it will change the scenario of the conventional method of practicing acupuncture. The complete success, and globally, acupuncture will be recognized and people or patients will confidently start looking into or approaching an acupuncturist for treatment. This device comes into market. Any acupuncturist, a beginner, a student, or even an experienced practitioner will have confidence because it is going to be a scientific system of treatment. So I congratulate and appreciate Kernew MedTech Innovations Private Limited for the earnest efforts